Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylane. Today we are going to look at a be-to verb, so a high intermediate verb, se passer. Se passer is a reflexive verb that's usually used impersonally, so not related to a person, but it can also be used one other way. If you're interested in other verbs for a higher level, I also posted a video about the verb s'agir. You'll love this video, so I will have it linked below. I'll also have the PDF linked below, so you can keep this one and review this lesson whenever you need to. So the first meaning of se passer is to happen, to take place. This is the most common meaning. We can say, for example, qu'est-ce qu'il se passe? Qu'est-ce qu'il se passe? What's happening? Qu'est-ce qu'il se passe? So it's an impersonal verb. So impersonal verb in French is when you use mostly it in English, or it can be for us he or she, since we don't have it, but anything that's not a person can be used with se passer. So, qu'est-ce qu'il se passe? Il s'est passé quelque chose d'étrange. Il s'est passé quelque chose d'étrange. Cela s'est passé il y a plusieurs semaines. Cela s'est passé il y a plusieurs semaines. Okay, so here, with those three sentences, we don't really have a personal subject. So it's all about it, that, something, but nothing related to a person. Make sense? The second meaning for this verb is se passer, to go, as to unfold. It's used a lot in the past, not much in the present. So, this one you might have heard it already. Comment s'est passée ta journée? Comment s'est passée ta journée? How was your day? Comment s'est passée ta journée? Son opération s'est bien passée. Son opération s'est bien passée. To go well. C'est bien passé. Mon rendez-vous s'est mieux passé que ce que je ne pensais. Mon rendez-vous s'est mieux passé que ce que je ne pensais. It's a complicated sentence. Mon rendez-vous s'est mieux passé. It went better than expected. And finally, tout s'est bien passé. Tout s'est bien passé. Everything went well. That's for the two meanings that are impersonal verbs. But we do have a third meaning that this time can be used with anybody. So a subject pronoun, a person, really anybody. It's se passer de, so followed by de. It means to skip, to do without. Je ne peux pas me passer de dessert. I can't do without dessert. Je ne peux pas me passer de dessert. Okay? So se passer de. And we don't have se passer du dessert, se passer de la, blah blah. It's always going to be de. Se passer de. Okay? Il s'est passé de mon aide. Il s'est passé de mon aide. And that's it already. That was the three meanings. A very easy lesson, but you really enjoyed this be-to verb s'agir that I did last time, so I thought, why not try to have a new one here and there just to expand your vocabulary. This one is very useful, especially for the sentences. Comment s'est passée ta journée? Ma journée s'est bien passée. So that's very, very useful for that. Otherwise, you might only see it, read it, maybe not use it a lot if you're not at a B2 level. But just remember this one. Comment s'est passée ta journée? Ma journée s'est bien passée. Ou c'est mal passé, but I hope not. Okay? If you have a question, please leave it in the comments. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to grab the PDF to keep and review. And that's it. So I will see you next Wednesday for a new French lesson. À mercredi prochain.